Is your hair feeling dull, dry, or just not behaving? Is not soaking up moisture? Your scalp feel itchy? If that's how your hair feels right now, this video is for you. What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing well. Before we get into this video, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Every one of y'all that has been liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. I want to say a big thank you for helping me grow this channel, and let's keep going. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. That's the only way you can help me grow this channel and support me. If you like this video, leave a comment, and yeah, and also share this video to anyone you think it might be helpful to. Okay, and let's get into this video. Here I'm using this Bentonite Clay I got from Amazon, and here there's my hair oil I'm going to add in there, and then here I'm adding the clay powder, and then I add water. But if you want to have a deeper cleansing, you can do apple cider vinegar instead. And this is the consistency I got, and now I'm applying it to damp hair. Guys, make sure you wet your hair before you apply this mask so that way it can absorb better. Clay masks draw out toxins, dirt, and all that product buildup sitting on your scalp. It cleanses without stripping, helps balance oil. I love using it when my hair starts to feel heavy, itchy, or doesn't absorb moisture. Plus, it boosts scalp circulation, which means it can help with growth too, and a scalp that feels fresh and clean. This clay mask is the deep detox my hair didn't know it needed. Here, I decided to do a face mask. I just didn't add the hair oil in there, and I just added turmeric instead for a clean, pure face. And this was me. And here guys, you can see my face, and this is the hair after I washed the clay out and shampoo my hair and everything, and it was feeling really soft. Try this clay mask and thank me later. Just look at the difference. Soft, defined curls.